Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Gruvgear Guitar. We have another great song from Olivia Rodrigo and Robert Smith. I mean, she's not famous for doing collabs. I mean, this is maybe one of the first, only at least on this album, this new album, and this is a great song. So it's called What's Wrong With Me. Before we move on with this tutorial, I want to highlight my secondary YouTube channel, and it's called Gruvgear Guitar 6 months ago. Link up here somewhere. I would really appreciate if you can help me out there. It's a new channel. You're gonna learn a song in a different way from A to Z. Chords shown on the screen. You just follow along and play through. That is what I ask you for to help me out here, basically. So thank you for supporting me, guys. Now let's go into this song. We have only 5 different chords. With a capo on 4th, absolute best scenario, we have 5 simple chords. Let's go through them. And we're gonna start with D first. That goes open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. We have B minor next, the B minor 7 actually. It's a bar chord, so you place your index finger on the 2nd fret, 5 strings from bottom up like this. That's what you need to push down as a bar. Then you need to add 4th on D and 3rd on B. Next up is the E minor 7. Very simple, guys. You're going to incorporate all strings. The only thing you need to push down is the 2nd fret A string. All other strings, E to E, are open. And that is E minor 7. Then we have the A7. So now you're going to play open A, 2nd D, open G, 2nd B, and open E. And then in the pre-chorus, you're going to play the G. And that goes 3rd E, 2nd A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. Alright, so the strumming pattern for this song is very simple. It's 4 downs. So if you grab the first chord, D, you're going to play. I try to hit the 3rd down on the higher strings to really incorporate those, because that is where the beat goes, basically. So on D, it could be a little hard and tricky to separate bass strings from top strings because it's short spectra of 4 strings only. But for B minor and E minors and A and all that, you have all the strings basically, so you can separate bass strings from higher strings. All right, so 4 downs, that's 1 string around. Let's go into the actual song. First verse, it goes D, 4 string rounds, then the B minor 7, 4. Then E minor 7, 4, and A7, 4. And it goes like this. Alright, you're going to play 2 rounds of that, and that is the first verse. I actually have this divided into a pre-chorus as well. I'm not sure if it's technically a pre-chorus, but I'm playing that as a pre-chorus, and it starts about 46 seconds in, and it's in the lyrics, I'm not feeling, and so on. That's where she is. And what you're going to play here now is to play G, 4 string rounds, and A7, 4, and that's it. So alright, and that takes us into the chorus at 54 seconds in. Went to the doctor, that's where we're on the lyrics. And what you're going to play now is D, 8 string rounds, B minor 7, 8 string rounds, E minor, 8, and A7, 8. So it's the same chord progression as verse play. The only difference is you're going to stay on the chords longer. Instead of 4 string rounds in the verse, 8 here in the chorus. You're going to play this once only, and that will follow up with an instrumental part right after this first chorus. You're gonna play the verse play. D, B minor, E minor, A7, 4 string rounds per chord, 1 round, and that's the first round. Okay, guys. Now, into the second round of everything, we have the second verse played exactly the same as the first one, but we don't have any second pre-chorus. So after that second verse, we're going to jump right into the chorus and play that in exactly the same way as the first one. So no changes there. Then we're going to jump back to play a second pre-chorus. And this time you're going to play it twice as long. So you're going to play G4, A7-4, G4, A7-4. That's it. Then you're going to go into this final parts of the song. It's the last third chorus. It's played exactly the same way as the previous choruses. And then you're going to finish off this song with an outro, and you're going to play 1 down per chord. And guess what chords you're going to play? Yes, it's the 4 famous D, the B minor 7, E minor, and the A7, pauses in between, and that will end this song. What's wrong with me? Guys, that's the question. So Olivia and Robert, she and he did a great collab here. So thank you for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Until next time, play tuned.